myself Shomodip Kundu, and we will learn today the trigonometric ratios. First we will see the diagram. Triangle ABC where 90-degree angle, and we will measure the angle of C by using the value of theta and the value of the base. Here we can see the perpendicular side, here the adjacent side, and here the hypotenuse. And now we will see what is the trigonometry, right? So it is a branch of mathematics that provides the relation between two sides and angles. Two sides and angles of the right angle. These two sides and this angle, we will take this angle theta, and this trigonometry has come from the three Greek words that they are trigon and metron. Tri means three, gon means sides, and metron means measure. And what is the importance? The importance of the trigonometric ratios is the estimating the heights of the towers and the mountains, and the determining the distance of the shore from the sea, and we also measure the finding the distance between the two celestial bodies. And after this, when we will learn more, we can prove it. Fine. So there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Fine. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And we will find the ratios with the respect of angle C, and the theta here is first of all is sine of angle C, or we can say this sine theta. What is sine theta equal to? The perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what would be AB and AC? Clear? And the second one is cos theta. What is cos theta equal to? The adjacent side or base by hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. So what is this? BC by AC. AC hypotenuse. And the third one is tan theta. What is this equal to? The perpendicular side and base or adjacent side. This is the perpendicular side and this is the adjacent side or base side. This what is the equal to? A, B and BC. And actually these are the main 3 ratios, and besides there are also 3 ratios. Then the fourth one is cosec theta. What is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. This is the hypotenuse by perpendicular. So what is this? AC by AB. And the fifth one is sec theta. What is equal to sec theta? Hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base. So AC by BC. And the last one is cot theta. What is equal to base or adjacent side, this BC, and the perpendicular AB. So here it is BC and AB. Right? So now we will learn the reciprocal relations between 6 ratios. First, sin theta equal to AB by AC, and the cos theta equal to BC by AC. Now if we write the sin theta by cos theta and put the value AB by AC and BC by AC, then we can get the AB by AC, which is equal to AB by BC. Fine. Then we can say that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. This is proved. And besides there are also 3 relations that we can learn from here. Sin theta equal to what? AB by AC. And what is the cosec theta equal to AC by AB. So this is the reciprocal. So we can write sin theta by cos theta. As same, cos theta equal to BC by AC, and sec theta equal to what? AC by BC. This is 2 are reciprocal. So cos theta equal to, we can write cos theta by 1 by sec theta. And tan theta equal to AB by BC, AB by BC, and the cot theta equal to BC by AB. These are reciprocal. So we can write tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. Now there are 3 trigonometric identities. Fine. What is this? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and sec square theta and tan square theta equal to 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, and we will prove that. Fine. Now we can see how to prove the sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Right? We know that what? AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. From this ABC triangle, by the Pythagoras theorem, we can write that AB square plus BC square equal to AC square, that we wrote there. then if we put the value, if we take that perpendicular side equal to P and the adjacent side or base equal to B and hypotenuse equal to H, and if we put the value, then AB square equal to P square and the base equal to BC is equal to B square and the hypotenuse equal to H square. Fine. Now if we divide the both side by H square, what we will get? P square by H square, B square by H square, H square by H square. So now we can see what I just recall one thing, what I wrote, sin theta equal to AB by AC, AB by AC. So what? P by H, and the cos theta equal to BC by AC. This is the BC by AC. So what? B by H. P by H equal to what we get? Sin theta. So P by H the whole square equal to sin square theta plus B by H its whole square equal to cos theta B by H equal to 1. Now we can prove also thus we can prove also the other two identities.